On your JMU transfer credit report, the subject area followed by triple zeros, such as English 000 and History 000, designates elective course credit. This means that JMU has awarded you elective credit in a subject area for one of two reasons. JMU does not offer a specific course equivalent to the one you took, or there is not enough information on your transcript to determine if the course is equivalent to a course offered at JMU. There are two processes for appealing credit, one for general education credit and one for credit in the major. If you have earned a JMU-approved associate degree that waives Gen Ed, then you will not be appealing for Gen Ed credit. Making an appeal for general education course credit. Please note, because credits from the Virginia Community College System and AP, IB, CIE exams are regularly reviewed, they are not eligible for appeal. To appeal for Gen Ed credit from a four-year institution or an out-of-state community college, you will need to review the philosophy and structure of the Gen Ed program to determine which Gen Ed cluster and course you are appealing for credit. This information can be found on the Gen Ed website. It is important to review the learning objectives for each Gen Ed cluster to see if the course you took at your previous institution has similar learning objectives as the Gen Ed course you are seeking credit for. Not all courses with the same course title are similar in content, and not all Gen Ed programs have interchangeable courses. To appeal for Gen Ed credit, go to the Gen Ed program website at www.jmu.edu/Gen Ed and click on About. Sublinks to each cluster will appear. Review each individual cluster and the learning objectives to determine which cluster and which Gen Ed course within that cluster most closely matches the course you took at your previous institution. Collect all electronic copies of all your supporting evidence for the appeal, including a copy of the course description and the course syllabus. The transfer appeal process is done via My Madison in your Student Center. In the Student Center, click on the drop-down box and select the Gen Ed Transfer Appeals option. You may also make an appointment to see a Gen Ed cluster coordinator if you have multiple courses to appeal or are unsure where your courses might fit. Program staff will review your materials and reply as soon as they can. You may be asked to provide additional information. Courses declined for general education requirements will remain as electives counting toward your degree. Making an appeal for major or subject course credit. To appeal for course credit in the major, you will need to review the JMU undergraduate course catalog to see which course most closely matches the course you took at your previous institution. Collect all of your supportive evidence for the appeal, including a copy of the course description, the course syllabus, and any assignments from your previous institution. Once the semester has begun, make an appointment with the appropriate academic unit head and bring your course information to your major department or the specific academic department that corresponds with the course subject area. For example, a math course appeal would go to the math department. Your academic advisor can help you determine which department to go to when appealing transfer credit. You can look up the location of individual academic departments at JMU by going to www.jmu.edu/catalog, select the current academic year catalog, click on Programs of Study, and click on the specific major department. On the top of the page, you will find the location of the department and the name of the department head. Appealing credit for courses not posted to your JMU transfer credit report. If a course taken at a previous university or college is not posted to your JMU transfer credit report, it could be that JMU has not yet received final transcripts showing the course and grade earned, or you did not earn at least a C grade in the course for it to transfer to JMU. Make sure final copies of your transcripts are sent to the JMU admissions office so that all grades can be recorded.